Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I am going to show you how you can translate Wattpad stories to English or from English to any other language or vice versa. First of all, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and also make sure that you turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new content or video to our channel. And without any further ado, let us get started. The first thing you want to do is simply open any of the browser which you have on your Windows, your laptop or your desktop computer. Remember to open the Wattpad account from your browser and not from the application. Now, once you open your browser, at the top of the screen, simply type in wattpad.com. Once you go to wattpad.com, wait for the page to load. And if you are not logged in, then you need to log into your account. So what you want to do is on the top right hand side, you can simply click on login, but I'm going to do and continue as with this Google account. So once you log in, this is how our home interface looks like. So click on any story which you want to translate to any other language. So let us assume that this is the story which we want to translate. Currently, this is in the English language. So if you want to change this to any other language, simply follow all the steps which I described in this video. First of all, what you want to do is simply open the new tab and then go to chrome.google.com/webstore. Once you go to the link, you will be taken to the web store of the Google Chrome application. Here, in the search box on the left hand side, you want to type in Google Translate. Click on search once you enter Google Translate. And what you want to do is you can see the first extension called Google Translate. Now, once you tap on Google Translate, you can see on the right hand side a button called Add to Chrome. What you want to do is simply tap on Add to Chrome right over here. Once you do that, in the pop-up menu that appears, again you want to select Add Extension. Once you select Add Extension, you can see Google Translate has been added to Chrome. Now, if you want to bookmark Google Translate, on the top right hand side you can see the white icon. Simply click on the white icon, go to Google Translate and pin the extension by clicking on this pin button. Once you do that, your Google Chrome extension will be shown right over here. Now what you want to do is simply go back to the story we were reading and then first of all reload the page. So currently you can see that this is in English. So if you want to translate this to any other language, on the top right hand side what you want to do is simply click on Google Translate. And as you can see the option called right over here, translate this page. You simply want to click on translate this page. Once you do that, on the top left hand side of the screen, you can see on which language you want to translate. So, in order to translate this language to any other than English, simply tap on this arrow icon right over here and simply click on any other language which you want to translate. Once you do that, you can see the changes have been taken place at the bottom of the screen. And you can now read the story in some other languages. Now if you want to change this back to English, go back to the language tab and then search for English. Once you do that, your story will be translated to your default language. So in this way, you can easily translate all of the stories on your Wattpad account. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you in our next video.